SG906 Max with 120-degree forward obstacle avoidance function and rotating laser sensing radar. It works in multiple scenarios. In no strange environment, it can still give me a full sense of security. Let me know what is fearless and safe flight, even when it comes to mirrors or low light at night. It's still easy to handle. 3-axis stabilized PTZ equipped with 4K HD camera create a cinematic film with EIS electronic anti-shake. It brings a brand new experience to be a photographer who captures every wonderful moment. For me, maybe